Padiri sa hard wine nga store, ABC. So, ayan, Colchi Santino. Gitapil ko yung ulan ra ba dyan. Ito, nihinay ng ulan karon. Na ay bang store nga dili pwede masulod ang bata. So, dala lang niya sa isa na pwede magsulod ang mga bata. Oh, hard wine. What hard wine is this? Woodford Reserve. Huh? And the other. Ito, so, mamili siya, Abi, o kanang nakita niya sa YouTube, kitiglan na siya mga hard wine. So, ako, di na akong palit og wine, kaya naman ko yung wine. Ito yung mga wine. This is, what wine is this? So, may pangita ni Habi ang iyang gusto palitin na hard wine. Ito, Jack Daniels, mayroon siya nito. Nata 10 pieces of bottle of hard wine na siya doon eh. So, may tarap siya glain to, Bacardi. What the name of
Bottle of Jefferson, $38.
this is Isonio, Chad?
Just looking for one.
Jefferson. This hard, laylash lang mga pangalan sa mga hard wine. Jefferson sa Al-Iliha, right? Al-Iliha.
Elijah Craig.
This one is Sky Vodka. So, vodka. Oh, mga glass, mga glass for hard wine and wine. Oh, they have it. Mga glass. Oh, ka-cute. So cute. So cute. Yeah, it's pretty color. Purple. But this is for wine. This is for wine. Glass. Ay, this one nice also. This is pretty glass. This one pretty too. Ah, this part is... Huh? What? Mitch Tears?
What's Michter's?
Makers. Ano ba yun? Makers. Oh my God, what's happening? Makers
Sour
pala yun.
mash, and this is the one I want here.
I read wrong.
The one I want there.
Ah, makers you want.
Oh, there's the high dollar stuff in the cabinet.
So makers you want. Oh yeah, makers. Makers you want. Wait, no, still stop. I go here. Sa man yung mga yan? You're cold? What?
Some of the high dollar ones.
Very expensive. Right here, very expensive. This is very expensive. On the is it glass?
What is this?
This is what is.
There's a rack.
Ah,
What?
si Sir Mike ay meron na siya din dito. 1792.
That's what I got at the house, yes. What?
I'm not buying this. I just saw this.
No, no,
Oh.
copper cocktail drink.
What is that something?
I'm not buying this.
Rapper?
This one, mga crunch, Cajun crunch. Mga snacks. Blue lemon almonds. Right? So finally makapasok ang gusto. Ah, so pretty tumbler. Nice color. Nice that design.
Is this a cup?
Looks pretty design.
And what
Pretty
about
design yung
all
tumbler.
the-
Kaya may mag-ilak pa siya. Yeah. Yung mga glass for wine and hard wine.
They don't have the Michter's
Ah.
rye.
Ako, I don't need some wine because I have already the Moscata
Can you hold my
color.
phone real quick?
That's, what are you doing?
She
It's
gave
gone.
me spoon.
Go see if
Ah,
they
she
got
gave me.
something.
Look,
You're not a girl
no
from-
bottle, but we're
Oh,
not
so
buying
cute.
that.
Mas di pa cute oh. For wine. Or hard wine. Oh, so cute. Glass. What are you trying to find?
I'm just trying to see if they got something here I like.
A light.
And you put it.
bar is mga what right here? Mga juice. Oh, that's mga juice for the wine. Coffee no. Wines. Oh, this. Jack Daniels, you have that already. Different color, purple. Oh, it's black or brown?
Yeah.
Mga books for, ayan, mga snack. Oh, parang ano, sa, ito yung seeds sa sunflower. Nakakain ako nito sa Manila eh. Seeds sa sunflower. Asan na yun sila? Okay. So, here na, ito mga chichirya, mga chichirya. Mga snack. Mga snack right here. Oh, you're tired already. Dalon na sila ng mga susunod yung hard. Mga soft drinks yun. Mga snack nila. Picnic. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Popcorn. Alright, Darda. The makers you got now. The makers you got.
Mixers.
Is it still raining?
Makers.
Oh,
Come on, Satino. Hold me.
slow down.
Hold me. Hold daddy, hold daddy.
Mommy.
You want to hold me? Alright. Okay, gonna run. Go, get inside, Satino.
Go inside.
Alright. So, ito muna yung small car gamit namin kasi pinapaayos pa yung truck. May something kasi na natapos sa harap sa car. So, alright. Lock now. About your door is locked. Something, no?
2.5.
This is 2,500. EBC. Ang gara no EBC pang kindergarten.
Daddy.
What?
Oh, so morning ang napalit ni Sir Mike karon.
America in New York.
Banana,
What? I can't hear you.
Jacksonville's America.
Yes.
Bourbon.
It's still raining.
17.53 small batch.
Hey, Daddy.
Yep.
Kentucky straight bourbon
Straight bourbon.
whiskey. So this was 2,500 pesos ng commerce. So nakita lang ngayon sa YouTube, right? Ang aming baby na Tipis
I'm
boy.
not baby.
Does he
Yes,
have his seatbelt on?
Yeah.
Yes. So now we're going back to home.
To wait. To wait for Monica to pick me up.
1530 El Prado.
Balba.
To wait for Monica to pick me up. She's done.
Maybe you need to call her.
She's done working.
At the stop sign,
Maybe you need to call her.
crossing drive. Then at the next light, you'll turn left.
Call Monica.
At the light, turn left on the gate parkway
Still
north.
mga kamars. 1753. This is the year they make it.
That's the year they started
They
making it.
started to make it.
Yeah, established. That's when they opened the company.
Oh, okay. Philippines. What time na in your...
6:37
Ah,
a.m.
do you have time? Ah, okay.
It's the same thing, dear.
6:37 p.m. in here. Ay, in
6:27
America. In
a.m. there.
America. Oh, same time in Philippines. But morning in the Philippines. Good morning, Philippines. Good evening, Jamaica.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Touchton Road.
Gipaayo pa namo ang truck kay kuan. Ay something na hitabo sa unahan. So kanisang gamay nga car ang gigamit. Second hand car. So, yun yung pinaayos na yung car na bago yun
At the
yung
light, turn right onto Touchton Road.
3 years na rin kasi yung truck na yun kaya may something na so pinaayos.
One blinker.
So I saw pretty flowers there on the garden. Oh, look at
Yeah,
red color. Oh, yeah, looks brand new flowers. Raining, but maybe stop now. Raining today after swimming. Stop na lang ka na. Mahina na lang.
This is not real.
Oh, it's not
It's
word?
not real. It's just fake.
Alright. Flowers. Buwan na ngayon na namulaklak yung mga trees, yung flowers.
Mommy is fake. I'm not playing.
Some trees,
real
ano,
grass.
yeah, oh my flowers good. More red lights. So, mga kamars, andito na tayo sa kondo.
Oh my God.
Kung asa, tanag siyo. Binuang ulit ako. So, mga kondo rin yung dapat kung mag-fight, the neighbors hurt you. If I live in Philippines, I don't like neighbors to live because you can hurt our fight. I love space house. I like space house. Because I can do karaoke with the neighbors cannot hurt. Like Maureen house, no neighbors to hurt the karaoke.
I already bought the condo. We're here. I'm not moving.
In Philippines ba? Oops!
That's a bomb.
Speed bump.
Speed bump?
Speed bump.
Speed bump.
Make sure you don't go fast.
Namulaklak na ang mga quadrille trees, mga flowers. Dito na tayo sa
Who's winning?
ating titirahan. Oh, naipisoy sa taas, charot. Oh, muni ang truck nga, paayo pa. Sa Silverado. Oh, nagukod na sa iring, oh. They have 2 cats. Cat. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Oh, so cute. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Si husband. Yung swimming pool natin, wala pa nagnangangkon. Wala pa nag-open swimming pool dyan, oh. Kainis. Wala pa nag-open yung swimming pool. My God. Yung swimming pool dyan, oh. Wala pa nag-i-open. Pagkuha na lang mga bangko, o lamisa, wala pag-i-open. Our sweet mango. This is not sweet. Sour for now, because green pa siya. If they get yellow color, they will sweet. Like my carrot, like ito, tabas kayong banana dyan, yung adab ko dyan, yung atong mga partner dyan, may kayong banana, charot. Nakamars mo inom na siya. O, ganda na siya ganang ay sa baso. Oh, God. So, ako po, magluto ako, panihapon ako, kay gabiin, nag-start ng gabi din, luto ko buda, butangan na to, ulam. Ayan, paretong ulam. Luto ko bacon para kay Santino, with rice. Ayan, nilagay ko sa rep. Tapos, this is our shrimp. So, magdagdag ko ka shrimp na daw. O, diba? Mag-isot na tagluto. Init na to ang rice ng gantinis na tulog for 1 minute. Tapos, nakaluto rin ng bacon para sa kanya. Shrimp na ilalagay natin sa boda. So, nilagyan ko siya ng hot water. Inilit ko sa microwave. Tapos, yung sauce niya. Niinom na dito. Niinom na dito siya dyan. Nag-isa nagka-okay. Ano ako ang sauce? Yan. Nandito na. Nandito na ako yung sauce. Nandito ko na yung sauce. Pagdaan na natin. Isang pinuhuman na. Natag na ng sauce. Ang old beef. Kumalit ang itla sa mga food. Oil ng beef na akong gigamit. Meron natin ibutang. Luto na itong shrimp. Ako na ibutang sa ating budak na very spicy noodles. Ako nang ibutang sa ating budak cup. Ayan na siya. So, yun. So, hindi ang pansit na sa ilalong. So, kani siya nasa taas ang ating shrimp. So, ito na ibutang sa